Hi there! So I've been using the True Wireless Earphones 2 for more than 15 days now. Firstly, I wish it had a shorter name. So anyway, I've made an unboxing and a comparison video with the Redmi Earbuds S. I'll leave the links for those videos in the description. You should definitely watch them both. So in this video, we're going to do an in-depth review and should help you decide if you should buy this or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So from where do I start? Design? Not the most attractive to be frank, but sound truly impressive. So the earphones 2 come with 14mm drivers, and the moment you hear it, it screams quality. You actually have to hear these to believe it. They might not be the loudest earphones I've heard, but they definitely get loud enough for my ears. The clarity and the instrument separation is absolutely brilliant. The bass is decent, not flat that you can't feel it, but perfect that you can enjoy it. The sound profile is very balanced. Bass heads who love crazy thump, you'll be a little disappointed, but let me say this again. I'm not saying that this doesn't have bass. It's just not deep enough that you usually get in those sealed earbud earphones. I'm no audiophile expert, but these sound really premium. You can listen to music on these for hours. You'll be surprised how much better your favorite songs sound with these. Also, another huge plus is its fit. Extremely comfortable. So they sit in your ear cup, not sealing your ear canal, which is actually perfect for me. Most earphones snug in deep, which aren't so comfortable to wear for long hours. I personally prefer these to the ones that create that total seal. Wore it for more than 3 hours and trust me, I could easily forget that I'm wearing them. No discomfort at all. Also, I'm used to wearing Apple AirPods, so these felt exactly the same. These also come with optical sensors. So the moment you remove this from your ears, the music pauses. The moment you wear it back, the music resumes. And now for the best part. This works for iPhone, this works for any Android phone, and these even work on your laptop, Mac and Windows both. And that's absolutely amazing. The earphones 2 also have tap gestures. Limited options though, but very responsive. Double tap on the right to play and pause a track. Double tap on either to end or answer a call. Double tap on the left to enable voice assistant. Google Assistant for Android and Siri for an iPhone. So if I had a choice, I would love to see next track on the left. But I can understand. Now with voice assistant, you can even change the track and also control the volume. These tap gestures even worked with my MacBook too. And when I double tapped on the left one, it even launched Siri. The best part was when something that is not Apple worked with the MacBook so well. Totally loved it. So the earphones 2 come with a charging case that houses a 250 mAh battery that can charge these earphones 3 to 4 times. And the earphones itself have 30 mAh batteries itself, which lasted for 3 hours plus on a single charge with about 60 to 70% volume. The case charged the earphones pretty quickly. The charging case comes with a USB-C port at the bottom, and it also supports fast charge. And trust me, those come very handy when you want to quickly charge them. So the quality of the case is top notch. It's got a soft matte finish and feels really great in the hand. It actually feels very premium too. It has an LED light in the front which turns white when you're pairing and red when you're charging. If I had to nitpick, I wish the case was a little more compact. It does feel a little bulky when compared to other truly wireless earphone cases. Also, the design of the earphones is not very pleasing. Thick white stems kind of look bulky, but the good thing is that they're extremely light, barely 4.5 grams each. Also, I've been constantly using these for phone calls and Zoom calls, and let me tell you that they performed very well. They come with environmental noise cancelling, which basically means it cancels all the ambient sound so that the caller can hear you clearly. The reason it does such a good job is that it has 2 mics on each of the earphones. One is the regular mic at the bottom and the one on the top, which is a noise cancelling mic. It's just like what we see on our mobile phones. I also paired the earphones 2 to my MacBook for Zoom calls, and it did very well. Clear, crisp, no echo, and above all, wire-free. So when it comes to pairing, Xiaomi phones running MIUI 11, Android 10 will get the best experience. There'll be a pop-up which will quickly help you to pair, and it also shows you the earphones and the case battery percentage. But what if you're not using a Xiaomi phone? Well, then you need to go to the Bluetooth settings, pair it like you pair any other Bluetooth earphones, and it will only show you the battery percentage of the earphones. No case battery will be reflected. The same is with an iPhone. You can see the battery percentage of the earphones, but not of the case. Now this could get really confusing. I would land up charging the case every few days, not knowing how much charge it actually holds. Not a big deal, but overall a smooth experience. Finally, the thing that everyone is waiting for, gaming latency. Yes, I did play PUBG while wearing these and there was a noticeable delay. Not by much, and trust me, I've seen worse. But if you're a gamer and you're thinking to buy these for PUBG, I'll say pick the Redmi Earbuds S. They even come with a dedicated gaming mode. If you want to see my full review on those, you can click the card up here. I'll also leave the link for that video in the description. Use these for streaming movies and the delay was absolutely negligible. You wouldn't notice unless you were focusing on it. Trust me, it was actually fun watching movies with these on. Freedom from wires is such a blessing. And I just realized that headphones are so bulky, wearing these while watching movies was so much more convenient. So if I had to nitpick the cons, there are a few. No wireless charging, no waterproof rating, no gaming mode, but it has one of the best sounding drivers in this price segment. Now 4,500 ain't cheap, especially in a market where it's flooded with cheaper options. What you're paying for is excellent call quality, portability, good build, USB-C quick charge and amazing sound quality. At launch, the Mi earphones had an introductory price of $3,999. A week later, it was increased to $4,499. I personally feel that $3,999 hit the sweet spot. $4,499 might be a tad high. But if you ask me, I would recommend these to anyone. I'd say get your priorities right. If you prefer audio quality over super bass, comfort over good looks, USB-C quick charge over micro USB, then these are going to be perfect for you. I'll leave the link in the description. If you want to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to write down in the comments if there are any questions or doubts about the Mi earphones too. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.